Walk into any bike shop or scroll through e-bikes online and it hits you like a Denver hailstorm. Foldables, commuters, mountain, fat tires. And what's with all these watts? I'm here to break it down super fast so you can find your dream ride in Denver. First up, basics. Let's talk e-bike classes. Class 1 pedal assist only, tops out at 20 miles per hour. Simple, legal on most Denver paths. Class 2? That's pedal assist plus a throttle for extra zip, also 20 miles per hour. Class 3, pedal assist but faster, up to 28 miles per hour. Knowing these classes is step 1 to riding right and not getting ticketed in City Park. Now, the shapes, the types. Foldable e-bikes, tiny legends. Perfect if you're short on space, want to stash your ride in the back of a Subaru, or just love gadgets. Super light, easy to carry, and city ready. Commuter e-bikes. These are the smooth operators. Think upright, comfy, built-in racks, fenders, sometimes even lights. Perfect for daily downtown rides or cruising the Cherry Creek Trail. Now, e-mountain bikes, beefy, tough with burly suspension and knobby tires. If you're dreaming of Red Rocks trails or mountain adventures, this is your ticket. And then, the fat tire beasts, huge tires. Built to eat up sand, snow, gravel, whatever Colorado throws at you. They feel like monster trucks for the trails, and honestly, they're a blast year-round. Let's talk power watts. 350 watts? That's your pedal pal. Enough boost for daily commutes and mellow hills keeps things chill. Jump to 500 or even 750 watts and you've got the all-rounder. Hills, handled, acceleration, zippy. Popular on both commuters and mountain bikes. Now, 1,000 watts and beyond, these are the powerhouses. You'll find them on fat tire and high-performance mountain bikes, crazy torque, fast starts, but yeah, they can burn through battery faster. Remember, more power means more fun, but also sometimes less range and more rules. So how do you pick? Honestly, it's all about your adventure. City commuting? Go for a sleek commuter or nimble foldable. Trail rides in the Rockies? E-mountain all the way. Want to conquer Denver winters or sandy stretches at the reservoir? Fat tire's your best buddy. Think about where you'll ride most and what makes you smile. The e-bike world is big, but finding your perfect match is about the ride you want. Which e-bike type sounds like your next Denver adventure? Drop your pick in the comments. And for more what to do in Denver and all things rides the Rockies, hit subscribe. I'm bringing you the best of the city, one ride at a time.